Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing Max from Stranger Things in a fun and expressive rubber hose cartoon style, inspired by vintage cartoons and full of personality. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. It really helps the channel grow and reach more artists like you. Grab your materials, get comfy, and let's bring Max to life in this playful cartoon version. Okay, let's begin with the eyes, drawing them big and wide, full of energy and excitement. And remember, if anything feels tricky, just pause the video and take it step by step. Now, add the eyelashes, keeping them simple but expressive to enhance that lively cartoon look. Draw the nose as a small, rounded shape right in the center. Later, we'll color it pink for that cute touch. Next, sketch the cheeks, making them round and slightly puffy to emphasize her joyful expression. Let's move on to the mouth. Big and open with a huge smile that really brings the character to life. Add the tongue inside the mouth, giving it a soft curve for extra depth and charm. Now draw the overall face shape, connecting it directly into the body, without a visible neck, just like classic rubber hose cartoons. Let's add the headphones, wrapping them around the head with large, rounded ear pads. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. And be sure to check out our playlist with more Stranger Things characters. Just click the card up above. Also, tell me in the comments, which character should we draw next? Now, sketch the hair, big and flowing, with soft curves that frame the face beautifully. Max Mayfield was introduced in Season 2 of Stranger Things and quickly became a fan favorite. She's known for her strong personality, independence, and skateboarding skills. Max's stepbrother Billy plays a big role in her storyline, especially in the earlier seasons. One of Max's most iconic moments is connected to music, especially her emotional connection to songs. In Season 4, music becomes a key element in protecting characters from supernatural forces. Oh, she's so cute, isn't she? Draw the open jacket, using rounded shapes to help build that cartoony body structure. Add the shirt underneath, including a red collar and a simple checkered pattern for extra detail. Now draw the right arm, curving like a smooth C in true rubber hose style. Add the right hand, oversized and wearing classic cartoon gloves, resting confidently on the hip. Repeat the same idea for the left arm and hand, keeping that balanced, confident pose. Now sketch the shorts, simple and clean, matching the vintage aesthetic. Draw the legs long and flexible with that signature rubber hose flow. Let's move on to the shoes, making them big, rounded, and super cartoony. Add more detail to the left shoe, keeping that exaggerated, soft shape consistent. Now draw the backpack and its straps over the shoulders, giving her that adventurous vibe. Musical notes near the headphones, showing that she's listening to her favorite music. For colors, we're using bright tones inspired by her classic outfit, like orange hair, blue jacket, and red accents. But feel free to color your Max however you like. And here's our Max. Fun, expressive, and full of personality in this rubber hose cartoon style. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.